see the lights are on, which I thought I turned that off. Clearly it isn't turned on. But today we are actually going to be installing this. This is the all-new Western Digital Black 250 gigabyte SSD. This is the new version. Read speeds of 3,100 megabytes a second and speeds of about 1,600 megabytes a second, which is insanely fast. Usually normal SSD is about say 500 megabytes a second read and write, 550-ish. But I want to go with the new one, NVMe SSD. It's really quick, and I'm going to be installing it on the motherboard on today's video. And yeah, we're going to be transferring Windows on it. So if you guys like this video, give it a like, thumbs up, and subscribe if you're new. So without further ado, let's get started. Now what I'm also going to try doing is hiding this cable somewhere. If all goes wrong, then I'll be just putting it down here, which really won't be shown, but it'll be being cooled from the graphics card. This is the M.2 SSD, and it is tiny. I actually thought it would be bigger. So guys, just to make my life a little easier, I'm just gonna remove my graphics card, just like so. Alright, so I have the graphics card out now. This is gonna be hard because I don't understand. I have a small Phillips screwdriver. I'm trying to screw it in, but it's the right size. I'm trying to screw it in, or unscrew it. So I'm gonna keep trying. The SSD, which is right here. I'm gonna line it up and put it in. So unless they're pre-applied. Alright. And now alright, that should be in. Now I should put in the graphics card, turn it on, let's boot it up. Yeah guys, I forgot to mention, I'm putting it in the bottom slot for now because I was literally trying like half an hour to like an hour trying to put it in the second slot right there. I've been trying to open that up and it hasn't been opening. I need like a smaller screwdriver. The closest one that was working was this one, but you could literally see all the chipping because the other one's actually faster since it's closer to the processor. Then it uses the processor's power, but since I'm using the smaller or the lower one further away from the CPU, it's going to use a chipset from the motherboard, which is slower. I don't know by how much. Put in the graphics card now and boot it up, transfer Windows on there, and see how fast it is. All right, let's put the graphics card back in. I'm just gonna keep it like that. Alright. The lights, I still gotta fix. Let's turn this on. Just a slight late response. But that's okay. So once we boot into Windows, once I boot into Windows, and I'll show you guys a program, I'm gonna transfer Windows on my hard drive to the SSD. Currently isn't detected. Done this yourself, then all you gotta do is go to the search bar, then search like create a new partition, I guess. Or you can just search up disk management, and then once it shows this, your new thing, your new hard drive or SSD that you put in, then you can just right click on it and then say new simple volume. This menu will pop up. Then you just gotta say how much space it has. You can't go any higher. It's the highest that I'll have because there's like other stuff that needs to be put on it. And then this is what it will be. So like here you see it's D, C drive. I'm just gonna name it, I'll name it my E drive. And then you can press next, format this volume. And then this is where you could name it or whatever. So this one I'm gonna name it Windows, just like that. And then perform a quick format because that's what you want, quick. And then finish. And then there it is. You go to this PC, then you'll see it.